welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela. Maybe I seen this beautiful face for the very first time. Welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, I'm just basically going to be like revamping one portion of my room. I want to create like a workspace, sort of. I created a workspace in school, but I've not like created for the one at home. I usually use like a wall, a yellow wall, but I want to create like this white backdrop, and I want to create it with some products that will not actually cost me much. So if you are interested in this type of content, make sure you keep on watching. This is how the wall looks at the moment, and the environment around it, like it's really scattered. I've not like had time to arrange my room since I came home, and this is the wall basically that I'm going to be like creating the white background, and I'm just going to be revamping the whole corner, and I'm going to be taking you through the process. You're going to be needing a calendar. This is like the important thing. You'll be needing one that has like a white background for you to create like the white wall effect. You're going to be needing like sellotape. It might not be necessary because when I did the white wall in school, I didn't use a sellotape. But for another person that doesn't have the glue, you might just use this sellotape or get the two-sided sellotape that they sell on AliExpress. This is one important thing, this gum. I used this gum for the one in school, and the calendar stayed on the wall, like it didn't remove. So you want to get this. The first time I got it for around 250, but now it retails for around 350. I don't know the new price. You can screenshot it. You'll be needing a sharp scissors to be able to cut out like the ends of the calendar that has like ruffles, so you'll be able to cut it so that your lines can be straight. corner is looking. I've taken down everything on the wall, and the floor just has a bit of dirt. I'm still going to clear the table. I'm going to shift the table to that side, beside the wall, and the box that was there before will be well arranged and shifted to the side of the table. And that's like just currently the new progress. Let's see how far we can go today. This is how everywhere looks at the moment. It's like really scattered, but you're going to see the transformation. Day 2, I think I've even done a bit more damage than good, but nonetheless we're getting somewhere, and I'm already clearing it out. I have the idea of putting the box there and putting the table like facing this angle where my hand is like placed, and I'll put like the rug that I have. So let's just see. I'll put the white wall, the mirror will be there. Hopefully it comes out as I imagine. This is what it is looking like now. I'm going to take out the two boxes of. So this is what it's looking like now. I'm going to take out the two packs out, and I'm still going to find a way to rearrange. But so far, this is what I still have left, like the way I scattered it. And that's bed. I scattered that bed also. And this is my own private bed that I scattered. So the only thing that I left now is this floor that I have to like take care of my shoes and just pack out the jets, and we're good to go.
Finally, I've cleared the floor. I've arranged all the shoes. I'm looking out all the shoes and it's looking. It's just remaining this bed now.
This is how the room looks like now. I've cleared the floor and I've dusted like the shoes. I'm still going to keep the shoes somewhere else. And I just found like this synthetic wig. I might use it to shoot a video. I'm not so sure yet. And these three boxes here, I'm going to be taking it out of the room. And this is my ring light. I actually tried filming today. The background was actually okay. This is still the wall that I'm going to use to like create the white wall effect, but this bed is not yet cleared, and that's like the last thing that is left for me to do. And yes, I'll take you to the last space and before I do the final room tour.